Hey, what's up? It's your girl DJ Sky High Baby, and you are watching Grape Tea News.
Shout out to Hot New Hip Hop for the article. Okay. Chrisean Rock arrested while attending Blueface court hearing. Okay. Man. It says the rapper has legal troubles of her own. Chrisean Rock and Blueface have had a tumultuous relationship over the years. They dated from 2020 to 2023 and welcomed a child after their split. Despite the separation, Chrisean Rock has made a point of supporting Blueface throughout his various legal battles. The rapper that made Tatiana was arrested for violating his probation back in January, and the subsequent court hearing was held June 10th in the Fernando Valley courthouse. Things took an unexpected turn, however, when Rock showed up and was promptly arrested. Man, how do these rock tars feel about this? Where the Chriseanimals at, y'all? Where the Chriseanimals? Where the rock tards? Okay, where the unstable creatures? I want to see how they go spin this. Because I've had them in my chat saying, oh, she figured that out. Y'all, why y'all creating fake news? Y'all just a hater. We like, well, we're looking this up. This girl have warrants. Whack 100 talks about it. I mean, it was plain to see. She talks about him. You know what I'm saying? Why did she run away when the police came to her football game in Denver? All right. So I just want to remind y'all, okay, before we get heavy into this, I just want to remind y'all that y'all some unstable creatures, okay?
House full of women, cuz. House full of sensitive ass females dealing with they damn hormones. Y'all some unstable creatures. See, I ain't gonna say the B word. I'm gonna say unstable creatures. It's my new word.
Okay, I just wanted to remind y'all that I hate y'all just as much as Chrisean do.
Because everybody came to watch me and I didn't even get to play. I fucking hate these weird ass fans I got. I hate y'all.
You know what? They didn't tell me that I had to register.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you how Blueface feels about you.
Like, I don't know, I had to find my audience for real.
Who is your audience? Big, black, toxic, bottom feeders.
I'm a hater.
Okay, and I'm telling y'all, people was like, I'm telling y'all, he's staunch. People that worship Chrisean. Okay, so they just believed, I guess, nothing was gonna happen to her. She had no complications, and we like to put those certain people in a box, you know.
But let me remind y'all, bro, when school was over, when high school was done, they just freed all the special ed kids out into the world, didn't tell us who was who or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Our whole lives in school, we were separated. We knew who were who. We knew, all right, if they get the tripping, don't even pay them no mind, they special ed, you know what I'm saying? After high school, they let them out into society, and we don't know, bruh. So when somebody trying you, just remember, they probably them. That's probably them right there, bruh.
Why you creating fake news? Chrisean lawyer got that settled. So what is you talking about? Chrisean ain't going to no jail. You don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna look at you like this.
The 12, 2015.
Yes.
Okay. And have they been changed in any way according, based on what's in front of you?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, the state now moves to admit.
So I was right all along, man. You know, I mean, come on, man. This was bound to happen. And here's my thing. I don't like how people are changing the narrative. Okay. So look, check this, man. Check this out. I don't like the fact that people were using Junior as a shield, right? So you don't talk about this woman, right? And now that she's locked up, now everybody talking about what about Junior? When we've shown plenty of examples that we honestly believe that that baby wasn't in the best of care with Chrisean. So what's all this? Oh, you taking a baby from a mother? No, what are you talking about? We didn't tell her to get these warrants. Y'all know that, right? Why are we the bad guys for telling the truth? We're not. I'm not jumping for joy, nothing like that. I'm just saying that I was right. We knew she was going to jail. I mean, come on, you can't have that many felony warrants in that many different states and just think that everything's gonna be fine. All right, we're literally looking at a mugshot right here, y'all. Okay, this was a fugitive. Okay? So now the narrative is that, oh, y'all congratulating that, baby, man, hey, you know how many mothers there are in prison and in jail? What makes this woman so special? All right, what makes this woman so special? Right? I don't even want to get into my business. How you know I didn't have a mother that was in jail? Why my mother wasn't able to have the benefit of Chrisean? You know what I'm saying? You're taking your mother away from Grape T, right? Like, let's not play that. We're not playing that sympathy card. You know why? Because she didn't care. So why would I? This woman was doing this stuff when she was pregnant. Y'all know, remember, she was pregnant during that situation in Oklahoma, right? When did that happen, y'all? When did that happen? Chrisean arrested in Oklahoma. That happened, okay, so that happened in 2022. Okay, so she wasn't, what's her name yet? Okay. So that makes it even worse. Okay. So she got the felony warrant in Oklahoma in 2022. Okay. So if you got a felony warrant in 2022, why are you punching people like James Chanel Wright, right, in the face and literally causing physical harm to people, racking up your charges, right, getting other felonies while you got a baby now? And obviously, from what I looked up, a lot of this situation happened because she just didn't go to her community service. I guess she could have cleaned a lot of this up if she just simply went to community service. Girl, you couldn't go pick up trash for a few hours a day? Are you serious? Community service ain't nothing like just super crazy. They probably have you on the side of the highway picking up trash. Probably have you like at a school or something. You know what I'm saying? It'd be like stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like where you gotta clean up. Might have to clean up your local park. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, come on, man. She didn't care. So why do we have to have sympathy? And remember, we have to have sympathy for the person that neglected the baby in the first place. We believe something's going on because she literally drank and smoked throughout her pregnancy. Right? Like, so I'm finding that super weird. Now all of a sudden she got this mother sympathy card when she herself said she was tired of being a mother 24/7. She only been a mother 9 months. People are wondering why the baby can't keep his head up. People was wondering why that pantry was so empty. Why you not feeding this baby some form of solid foods? We only seeing him drink milk. You know what I'm saying? Are we playing dumb? Are we playing dumb? So we not doing that, bro. We not doing that. Am I the person that's doing jumping jacks happy that this woman got arrested? No. Because honestly, y'all know I don't care about these celebrities, really. It's all about the baby, right? So now when the baby is separated from the person that we feel like that was neglecting it, now it's like, what about the baby? What are you talking about? We feel like this was the cause of the reason that the baby. Come on, man. Like, this fake outrage, this fake concern, I'm not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it, y'all. I'm not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it, man. People honestly believe that the baby was not in good care with Chrisean, but now when she separated from the baby, from her own doing, right? From her own doing. This not no random thing, right? From her own doing, all of a sudden, it's what about her baby? She's a mother.
I don't think I want to be a girl. We have a Blueface girlfriend.
Get yourself together.
Where the bottle at?
Oh my gosh. Drink it.
She asked for another bottle. I'm just.
You got liquor?
Yes, I can. I can abort the child tomorrow. It won't hurt me.
No, you can't have no fucking liquor.
You don't want to have a kid? I don't want to have a kid. And I know it's his kids. I don't care. I'm still killing it. That's the fun part about it. Can we go? Where we going?
Listen to yourself.
What? I don't know what to do. I don't want to do it no more. I give the fuck up.
You don't have to deal with him. He still can raise your baby. You gotta leave your emotions out of it. Sometimes
I left it out. I got no emotions no more.
All right, so you cannot do that to the baby, though, Muda.
Cause that's his baby. I don't want his baby. I don't want to have nobody baby no more, bro. I'm over it. Y'all not listening to me.
I am listening, Muda.
What's wrong?
Like,
I don't want to have a baby no more. Y'all keep saying this other shit. Y'all want
So
baby no more. Let me just get this abortion and leave it alone. I got rid of his kids plenty of times before that. You feel me? So it's like, you
just say it like that?
because I was ready to get rid of this one, like willingly, like I fuck it. He don't want it no more. Fuck it. I should go too with you to get this abortion, huh? Not real shit. I don't know what to do. First, I was getting pregnant, and then I aborted and shit. Like, ooh,
You did a lot.
3 times with him. So I was just like, all right, we're not ready. All right, you don't want it. All right, cool. Mom, I don't want to have a baby no more. I'm getting an abortion tomorrow.
Why? I don't believe in that. Children are for the future. It's not for today.
I get it, but I was just saying.
Well, give it to me.
Hell no.
I don't believe in that, Sean. I had 12.
Ma, he don't want to have a kid. I damn near don't want to have a kid. I'm ready to kill this baby. I'm ready to kill this baby. I made up my motherfucking mind, right? All things gonna rush to my head like, damn, y'all, I almost killed you with abortion. Like, on some real shit, I want to.
So now all of a sudden, when she actually is separated from the baby from her own doings, y'all, from her own doing. Nobody told her to catch all these warrants. Nobody told her to be a criminal. All she had to do is really sit down and chill, right? And then, after she had a baby and stuff like that, and just do her community service. And I honestly don't believe that we would be in this situation right now, even talking about this, right? But I guess she thought she was higher than the law, right? So we expose all this stuff, all these situations when it comes to Chrisean, right? And the baby. Now all of a sudden she get arrested. Oh, the baby separated. Like, we've been talking about this. The baby was going to be separated from her regardless. She was going to jail, y'all. Our thing was that, okay, hopefully Blueface was going to be out by that time, right? So he gets out and she goes in. So the baby's still with one of the parents, but now the baby got no parents right now, right? Like, I mean, this is insane. This is insane, man. Like, so I just don't like the switch up all of a sudden, that using that mother card. Like, come on, bro. This girl never wanted that baby. Come on, bro. We seen from her actions. We just seen it from her actions, man. Okay? So, like I said, I'm not a fan. I'm just not a fan of the switch up of the narratives all of a sudden. All right? And we're bad people for even talking about it, for bringing it up. I'm just not feeling that, man. I'm just not feeling that. That's so weird to me. It's so weird to me. Nobody is hoping that a mother gets separated from her child, right? But especially like if it was like a situation that was out of her control, this whole situation was in Chrisean's control. She didn't have to do none of this stuff. She didn't have to drink or smoke when the baby when she was pregnant. Like, it's so, like, this whole thing is Chrisean's fault. And it seemed like she blamed everybody else, and her supporters blame everybody else. Like, this woman didn't make these conscious, grown-up decisions that she has to pay the repercussions for. She has consequences, okay? She has consequences. It just is what it is. Why do everybody else have to have consequences in life, but she doesn't? Okay? We done seen the biggest of them all get arrested. Martha Stewart went to prison. Martha Stewart. All right? All right, blonde hair, you feel me? America's grandma, the cookbook lady, she went to prison. So you don't think they gonna lock up Chrisean Stop playing. Stop playing, man. All right? I'm just not feeling it, bro. Ain't nobody happy about this. It's just, we just spin the reel. Sometimes the truth hurts. This woman was going to go to jail regardless. You can't have warrants. When you have a warrant, you have to turn yourself in. If you don't turn yourself in for the smallest minute thing, you can get caught for jaywalking. You can have a speeding ticket, whatever the case may be. You have contact with the police and they run your name. They see you got warrants. You're going to jail. So she was going to jail regardless. All right. So my thing is, if you knew that you were going to go to jail regardless, right? Why you didn't get your ducks in order so you can make sure Junior will be in the best proper care? Okay. It don't seem like she cool with nobody. She obviously don't. She don't really communicate with her sisters like that, right? Her family like that, right? She don't get along with Carlissa, right? So it's like, but what are you doing? You just basically just living life on the edge, just living willy-nilly, and you got a whole baby out here. So if I'm the bad guy for speaking the truth, so be it. I don't care. I don't care. Keep scrolling, unsubscribe, because I'm gonna tell the truth. Nobody created this situation other than Chrisean herself. All right? Like, come on, man. We need accountability in here. Accountability. So it says TMZ reported that Chrisean Rock attended the hearing with her daughter. Oh, so they don't even look. TMZ don't even know that Chrisean is a boy, y'all. Because I guess since his name, Chrisean Jr., I guess they just thinking it's a girl. That's how you know these people don't know nothing about Chrisean. They don't be reporting on her like that. It says TMZ reported that Chrisean Rock attended the hearing with her daughter. What? Anyways, I didn't know she had a daughter, y'all. Did y'all know Chrisean had a daughter? She got another kid? It says as soon as she entered the courtroom, however, she was handcuffed by officers and hauled off. The outlet was informed that San Fernando Valley police were waiting for Rock to show up. Officers reportedly escorted Rock's child away while patting the rapper down to ensure that she didn't have weapons on her person. It was unclear as to why Rock was being arrested. Oh yeah, y'all don't know nothing about her then. Y'all don't know nothing. It says it was later revealed to be tied to a felony fugitive warrant that dates back to 2022. Yes. Check this out, man. Shout out to Neighborhood Talk, man. Fair use.
What happened, Christine?
I don't fucking know. They saying I got a whole nother case caught up in fucking downtown. I don't even be downtown.
You said you don't know? What? You don't know why you're being arrested? So you just been sleepwalking, causing crimes? Wow. So apparently, y'all, Chrisean was sleepwalking when she stole Blueface car and drove it all the way to Oklahoma and got that, that possession charge, right? Was it possession? Possession charge. And obviously stealing a car. What was that? Is that Robert? Grand theft? Whatever you want to call it, right? She was sleepwalking, y'all. Yep. When she attacked James Chanel, right? She was sleepwalking, y'all. She has no idea why she being arrested.
It's cool. I got my people looking into the door. I don't know who you want to speak to.
Excuse me, sir. What are you guys arresting her for?
A whole nother charge.
A warrant out for what? Sorry? A warrant for what, sir?
There's
a warrant for her arrest, sir.
Right. You gonna record me the whole way?
The whole way, beautiful.
Why?
You're a big star.
Oh God, that's not big shit at all. This is mercy. Well, who can like can I just like get talk to somebody because that don't make sense.
Man, you can't make this up, y'all. You can't make this up, man. This is crazy, y'all. I mean, what? It says Chrisean is being held without bail. She's also being charged with with assault with an unaliving weapon. That is a serious charge, y'all. Wow. Chrisean is being charged with physical harm with an unaliving weapon. Wow. Which stems from the aforementioned 2022 warrant that was sworn out in Oklahoma. The rapper was fully aware that she was being sought out for these charges, yet she told IG viewers that she had better things to do than turn herself in during a March stream. Quote, I've been paying off my fees and getting rid of ish, talking to certain people. I have my son. The old me would have just turned myself in and dealt with it. The inside, it says the inside through the outside of the jail, whatever. Right now, I gotta play it cautious because I don't plan on being in jail while my son is growing. Wow. Chrisean is no stranger to legal setbacks. The rapper has been arrested multiple times since 2020. Oh my Lord. Wow. She was charged with possession of that Mary Jane and possession of paraphernalia in May of that year. The rapper also charged with disorderly conduct and criminal trespassing during the 2022 stop in Arizona. I told y'all she literally had warrants for crimes in Arizona, California, Maryland, and Oklahoma. That's literally 4 states out of 50 states. That's 8% of the entire country, y'all. Come on, man. Like people like bigging this up and vouching for this and having some type of sympathy. Y'all crazy. Because this is what's affecting y'all kids.
So I come home. This is what I come home to. She tatted up. How'd you think about these ideas? Why'd you get a neck tattoo and a face tattoo?
Because Chrisean got it.
What did she get?
Blueface.
Come on, man. Stop playing with me, bro. I'm going to always bring the facts and the receipts, and I'm going to keep it real with you guys. It is what it is. I can't feel sorry for somebody that don't care about themselves. Somebody that didn't care about the well-being of their child and what the baby got to go through inside the womb and outside the womb. Okay? Didn't even get it situated with where the baby's going to be while you in jail. Didn't care at all. Like, none of this is making sense, man. None of this is making sense. Like, my head hurt, man. My head hurt, man. I don't know what's going on, man. Like, yeah, this is not cute at all. Yep. This is crazy, man. The mother think it's cute. That's why the child know about Chrisean and Blue at that age. Yeah. Why does they even know? Nothing positive about them has been shown on the internet. That's what I'm saying, man. Right? Yeah, why they even know who they are, right? How can you laugh if your child got tatted up like that, right? It's crazy, man. You said she could have done community service with the charity she cared about, and that would have been a positive look, but no. Yep. But remember, y'all, I'm the bad guy for just speaking the truth, saying that we knew this was gonna happen. So why are we switching up the narrative? Oh, they taking a mother away from a child. I'm like, what? That was gonna happen regardless. Prisons are full of mothers with children, with multiple kids. Okay? Like, man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. She has to do all them warrants consecutively. She's going to be inside for a while. Yeah. Yep. That's what they saying, man. Yep. I can't believe it, man. This is crazy, man. Let's check it out one more time, man. Going to the what's the name with the baby, knowing that you got warrants. Like, I mean, none of this makes sense. Is this staged, y'all? Is this like her turning herself in? Because y'all know, man, this is basically one big reality show. for one, I've never seen a court. I never seen a court that empty. You know what I'm saying? Court hallway that empty, especially on a Monday. A lot of people got court that day because a lot of people, be getting arrested over the weekend. Okay, never seen court that empty. Okay, the way the police was just kind of escorting her out, and being kind of nice about it, talking to the TMZ type people. Oh, she has a warrant. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just giving stage. Like, I'm not saying that she didn't turn herself in. No, I'm not saying that she wasn't arrested. I think this is more so a turning herself in situation. They knew that this was coming. So, hey, let's make a big spectacle out of it. Let's get these clicks and views. Y'all know Karlissa and her baby daddy, Blueface dad, hasn't been around each other for a long time. They don't like each other, but they decide to go to the courtroom. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. It's just a lot going on. I don't know. Now, y'all know I'm behind the scenes, so I'm just pondering. I'm just thinking, but
What happened, Christine?
I don't fucking know. They saying I got a whole nother case caught up in fucking downtown. I don't even be downtown. It's cool. I got my people looking into the door. I don't know who you're going to prison. Is that right?
Excuse me, sir. What are you guys arresting her for?
A whole nother charge.
A warrant out for what? Sorry? A warrant for what, sir?
There's a warrant for her. Like, why are you talking to, like, you know what I'm saying? A lot of times police be like, hey man, get up out of here. Get out of my face. Stop recording. Get out of our way. I don't know, man. So, something seems fishy to me. Something seems a little fishy. I don't know, man. I don't know. You said you could def see what a horrible relationship Karlissa had with Papa Blue. Yeah, they don't get along at all, man. They don't get along at all, man. You said people don't just go to the courthouse with warrants or to visits. That's what I was like. None of this makes sense. You said FX needs to pump out these miniseries quick. All these celebs going to jail. Right. Yep. Whack been telling her though. None of this makes, I don't know, man. None of this is making sense. You said, what if she thought she was going to bail? Well, no, I can't say. She has multiple felony warrants. She was not going to just be able to bail out. No. She's been on the run as a fugitive. There's no way she thought she was going to just, you know what I'm saying? And she not calm any other time. That's why it's just questionable. I don't know, man. I don't know. None of this is making sense.
Right. You gonna record me the whole way?
The whole way, beautiful.
Why?
You're a big star.
Oh God, not big shit at all.
So remember when she was at the game in Denver? She was really mad. I got court on Wednesday, bro. Man, I'm not. Nobody's hiding it. If y'all go arrest me, but she was real what's her name? But now she calm and giggling. Got the smirk on her face like it's funny. I don't know, man. You don't know if your son's gonna have some proper care. Who's gonna be with your son? She seemed way too chill. I don't know.
The movie, like, can I just get talk to somebody because
yeah, it don't make sense that you're getting arrested because you have warrants. I guess. I don't know, man. None of this is making sense, though, man. Yeah, you said she was a big star. He said, I'm starting to think the marshals arrested her. Plus, I also heard that someone undercover arrested her. I don't know, man. Maybe. He said she's not that bright. She probably thought she was going to be able to bond out. I don't know, man. But y'all know the deal, man. Let's keep going, man. Shout out to Captain for Likes, man. She had the behind the scenes. So this is them walking out with Chrisean. This is them walking out with Chrisean. Outside of the jail. Y'all saw the footage that we saw. They was already outside. But this is inside. Uh-oh. No music. Yeah, but man, they wasn't playing with her, man. So I guess she didn't even get past the first floor, right? It looked like they got to her like right there. She wasn't even able to make it to the second floor. They just arrested her. Wow. This whole situation is crazy, man. Wow. Shout out to Corey Lombardi on Twitter/X. He says Chrisean has been processed in jail, dated June 10th, 2024. He called them the rock pipes. You know, there's so many names. We call them unstable creatures over here, Chris Stalkers. He called them rock pipes. Rock pipes, stop playing with me. I'm the GOAT when it comes to this. So I guess he got the full records. Chrisean, Eugenia Malone. Her custody record 24. Yeah, man. She's in Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. Wow. I don't know, man. You said she thought she couldn't be touched. Yeah. It seemed like she's Teflon. Man. I don't know, man. It really seems like she didn't think nothing was gonna happen to her. Nothing was gonna happen to her. You say you feel sorry for her and Junior? I feel sorry for Junior. I don't feel sorry for her. Can you explain to me why you feel sorry for her? Let me know. Why would you feel sorry for somebody that blatantly smoked and drank throughout her pregnancy and neglected her child to the point that she didn't set the baby up to be with anybody or get everything together because she noticed she was going to have to go to jail. She has felonies. She's been on the run. She didn't turn herself in. She didn't do her community service. Right? She blatantly and purposely committed crimes. We all care for Junior. Why do you feel sorry for Chrisean? Let me know. I got you on the big screen. Why do you feel sorry for Chrisean? Make it make sense. I'm very logical. You can tell me something, and I'll be like, "Oh, okay, I get where you're coming from." But from all of the research that I've done, I don't feel sorry for this grown woman that put herself in this position. Let me know. You said they was flooding the courthouse with calls. Oh, wow, really? Wow. You said she probably is happy being away from Junior. Remember when she rolled her eyes? Man, I don't know, man. None of this makes sense. But I want that person to explain to me why you feel sorry for Chrisean. We care about this baby. The well-being and the welfare, the safety, the health of that baby. Like, I mean, none of this makes sense. I don't understand how you feel sorry for her. She did this to herself. How can you feel sorry for somebody that blatantly commit crimes and put themselves in position, even though they have kids? You know? You said the energy was that I'm a celeb and I got the money. I'ma just ball. Oh, I'ma just bail out. Right. You said she's way too chill, as if she knows people go bail her out. Well, she got no bail though. Yeah, she got four warrants, man. You know? You said she not laughing because she know those people not about to play with her. Plus, she said she was tired of being yeah, I remember that. Yeah, we covered that. She said being a mom was easy too, y'all. Remember that? She said being a mom was easy, which is a slap in the face to all my queens, all my hardworking mothers out here. All right. You said she thinks she finna get out. That's her problem. She always think either Blue gonna get her out. Man, Blue can't get himself out right now. They saying Blue might be in jail a whole nother year. You know? You said maybe those are bounty hunters. Yeah, nah. They not bounty because they have police. They have police sweaters on. This is crazy, man. You said no tears for her baby. Right. I didn't even think about that. She didn't even mention the baby. Like, hey, my baby, I need to figure out what's going on. Like, can I talk to somebody? Man, my baby. You know? Yeah, man. It's crazy, man. I was looking for that person to explain themselves. So just because I know they ain't here, you know I'm talking to you, so you're just gonna get blocked. Because I was actually asking you a question. Why? Like, explain to me. Like I said, I'm cool. I'm very understanding. I'm very logical. If you really give me some game on like, oh, okay, yeah, you right. Okay. Somebody that don't care about her damn self, don't care about her baby. You feel me? Put her baby in the most janky situations, obviously, smoking and drinking throughout the pregnancy. Now you put him in a situation to where as though his dad is in jail and you going to jail. You put him in a situation where, man, then everybody acting like they don't want him. You know? You put this baby in a uncompromising position. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. But you feel sorry? You feel sorry for her. They always got to put her. All you had to say was like, I feel sorry for Junior. Hey, we believe you. That baby deserves better. That baby didn't ask to be here. It just so happened that baby's, parents is allegedly Blueface and Chrisean. You know? It just makes no sense, man. You know? You said they about to ship her to Oklahoma real quick for the probation violation. She looking at 4 to 10. Wow. Ain't no telling about the rest. I don't know if she gonna do that much, but she gonna do some time. Yeah. Yeah, man. She gonna do some time. You said, dang, son, why bring the baby knowing it was 50-50, not having a backup plan? Right. That baby's innocent, man. Man, I mean, it's sad. It's so sad, man. It's so sad, man. She thought bringing the baby was going to garner some... Man, they don't care about that. The police do not care about that. You said, Carlissa said the judge said they were calling trying to keep Blue in jail because he unfollowed Rock. Whoa. Oh, you talking about the Rock tards? You talking about the Chrisean animals? The unstable creatures? Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, her record says no bond. Right. But now all of a sudden we supposed to feel sorry for her, talking about she's a mother. She's been a mother. She was a mother when she punched James Chanel right in the face. Y'all know that, right? She was a mother when she didn't go to her community service. And she got the bench warrant and she didn't turn herself in. Y'all know that, right? You know? You know? All right. Let me see. Ooh, I love this. Okay, you're doing too much. People are in the courtroom. That's why they're not in the hallway. She chilled because she knew it was a matter of time. The police talking because they're tired of her online clowning them. What? You're an unstable creature, okay? You're blocked, so you can watch this from the clouds, okay? I just want to remind you that, you know, Chrisean don't care about you vouching for her online, right? She hates you. All right? I didn't say it, she did.
Because everybody came to watch me and I didn't even get to play. I fucking hate these weird ass fans I got. I hate y'all. You know what? They didn't tell me that I had to register.
Okay. All right.
Like, I don't know, I had to find my audience for real.
Who is your audience? Big, black, toxic, bottom feeders.
I'm a hater.
Yeah.
Like, what are y'all talking about? Still vouching for the woman. Like, you know what I'm saying? But remember, y'all, these people are not all the way there.
But let me remind y'all, bro, when school was over, when high school was done, they just freed all the special ed kids out into the world, didn't tell us who was who or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Our whole lives in school, we were separated. We knew who were who. We knew, all right, if they get the tripping, don't even pay them no mind, they special ed, you know what I'm saying? After high school, they let them out into society, and we don't know, bruh. So when somebody trying you, just remember, they probably them. That's probably them right there, bruh.
These people are slow, y'all. And it's crazy because it's the main ones that don't make their own channel. They come to your channel and tell you you're doing too much. Leave. Why are you here? Now you can watch from the clouds. Okay? Like, we don't do nonsense over here. We do logic. Just make it make sense to me. Okay? Just make it make sense to me and I'll be like, oh, okay, I get you. But it's no way that I just can't think of a logical reason. Y'all know I've been deep diving into this whole situation. You know? She has not done well by anybody. Like, I mean, there's chaos everywhere she goes. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I just don't get it, man. I just don't get it. Make it make sense. You said, why put the responsibility on Junior, on Marsh? Right. You're like, yeah, like, what about the grandparents? Yes, the baby definitely deserved better parents, man. Man. You said y'all seen Blueface dad? Yeah, man, he didn't care. He seemed like he was just, I don't get it, man. I'm just really lost on what's going on. And it doesn't even matter. You can have logic and reason and see the whole situation in front of you, right? And they still just, they still defend it. Like, I'm just lost, man. I don't know, man. It's really scary that people think like this, bro. Remember, these are the same people that vote. These are the same people that share the road with us, that get a driver's license. These are the same people that are raising children. You know what I'm saying? Like, to not think logically is crazy. That's crazy, man. Like, none of this is making sense. Let me see what y'all saying, man. You said Rock is looking at some years. She think they about to play around with her because she a celebrity. Yeah, you know they don't care. Man, they locked Bill Cosby up. Man, they try to lock up Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson had to go through a trial. They don't care. They don't care about no celebrity. Okay? You know? I appreciate the love. I appreciate the super chat. St. Hudson, you said legally Blue is not his father. She's the only one on the birth certificate. Oh, right. Yeah, he never signed it, right? Because she did she had the birth in Baltimore. Blueface wasn't out there, so okay, that makes sense. Wow. Yeah, she did say that she was tired of being a mom. Yep. 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 I mean, it's so many questions going on, man. It's crazy, man. You said he brought him as a prop. Yeah. Man. Yeah, they windmilling though, man. Yeah, he said that alcohol catches up to you, especially. Yep, exactly. Being drunk and attacking people, acting like nothing's gonna happen. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, why are they here defending the BS? It's crazy. You said our fan base looking for a new place to watch. They can watch from the clouds. You can watch all you want. You can hate watch all you want. Okay? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they like to bully me. But I don't care. You know, I don't care. I keep that same energy, and you will be blocked. You can watch from the clouds. You can watch from the stands. You should have been watching from the stands at her football games. Oops, she quit that. Because she was trash. She couldn't remember the plays. Okay? Heck you talking about? Yeah, man. This whole situation is crazy, man. You said the prosecutor liked the... Yeah, exactly. Remember, she was talking trash about the prosecutor, too. Yep, she did this to herself. She did this to herself, man. She did this to herself, man. So we can just hope, man, that, you know... I don't know, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. We can just hope that the baby's all right. It didn't seem like anybody wanted the baby. Carlissa, Blue's dad, even Marsh talking about she need to get her hair done. Like, I don't know, man. It's way too much going on, man. It's way too much going on. I'm just irritated. Man. But check this out, man. Shout out to Circus of Blues for the post. Yep, they said Chrisean was officially charged with assault with an unaliving, with an unaliving weapon, y'all. All right. Wow. This is a serious offense. You know that, right? This is a serious offense. Ain't no just, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. But we saw it coming. Man. It was only a matter of time. We just hope that the baby is in good care. Whoever the baby's going to be with, she didn't plan for it, which is insane. How you didn't plan for your man? I mean, it's crazy, man. It says Wax says he warned Chrisean not to show up. Duh, that would make sense, right? He said, I told her 10 times. She said, whack. You just don't want me at court. Nah, I don't want you to go to jail. Shake my head. Hard head makes a soft. Yup. She did this to herself, man. So is Whack 100 a hater and a bad guy for advising her? Hey, don't show up. You know, you did this to yourself. Like, girl, you tripping. But when I say it, I'm a hater. Okay. Like, I don't know, man. She did not let that baby, just, I don't know, man. She really just let that baby just get abandoned essentially at the courthouse. You get arrested and the family over here arguing, who go take the baby? Like, man, this is crazy, man. I'm so irritated. I'm so irritated, man. That baby deserves better, man. That baby did not ask to be here. He's innocent, and look what both of his parents are in jail. Allegedly, Blueface. Both of his parents are in jail right now. I don't know, man. Oh, you think the rings, right. Okay. Right. Man, this is just, y'all know I'm irritated, man, because y'all can go back to All the videos I'm doing, I've always vouched for that baby. I've always dragged Blueface, Chrisean, everybody. But the baby is innocent. We've always felt like the baby needs to be in some better care, man, because these people do not care. They care more about clout than raising children, man. You know? You know? That's all they care about. Do anything for clout. You know? So we just hoping that whoever the baby's going to be with, whether it's Marsh, whether it's Carlissa, whether it's Papa Blue, we just hope that the baby is in good care, okay? I mean, that's all we can do, man. We don't have no control over this. We have no say. We don't really know these people. You know, we just on the outside looking in, you know? You know? You said Chrisean can't treat everyone like they're beneath her and then expect them to step up when you need them. They probably think if they take the baby, she'll have them arrested or something. You think so? You think they'll have them arrested? You said Carlissa and Blue Fingernails are garbage. Yeah, man. I saw what happened, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. You said she's only shows a representation of a big issue that we have amongst newer generations. Yeah, and she's influencing them, just like Sexy Red. You know, she's influencing the children. If you don't think so, check this out.
So I come home. This is what I come home to. She tatted up. How'd you think about these ideas? Why'd you get a neck tattoo and a face tattoo?
Because Chrisean got it.
What did she get?
Blueface.
All right. So you're absolutely right. Okay. You're absolutely right. Carlissa said, if my son said take him, I would have taken him and treated him like he was Jonathan's. Then she switched up and said like he was my own. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hopefully they get the proper help for Junior. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm hoping, man. Yep. He said Tesehki is watching her child graduate the 8th grade. And meanwhile, Rock is leaving hers at the courthouse. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, two opposite ends of the spectrum, man. I didn't know Tesehki had kids that old. That's crazy. She must have had her babies young. You know. Yeah, I've always been one of them, man. We call a spade, man. You know? We call a spade, man. We not celebrating this situation. We just keeping it real. We just keeping it real. We knew this was going to happen. It was literally only a matter of time. It was only a matter of time. You say you never knew with Chrisean. She told Carlissa to stay away from the baby. We've seen her manipulate. Yeah. And she wished, remember she wished that Carlissa was unalive. Remember that? You know? Like this is sad, man. This whole situation is sad, man. It's sad, man. But yeah, man, Whack 100 try to tell her, y'all. Whack 100 try to tell her, man. All right. So shout out to Corey Lombardi, right? He added a little more tea. He said, update. Chrisean has 2 lawsuit hearings for this month. Uh-oh. And she not going to be able to be there. Obviously, she going to be in jail. It says one for James Wright, and the other is for the girl that she hit. And because she's arrested, she'll miss both of the hearings. Keep in mind that failure to appear for both will cause a default judgment in favor of James and the woman. God is good. Oh, my Lord. Dang. Man, she got a lot of problems, y'all. She got a lot of money. She about to come out of pocket for a lot of money. She about to come out of pocket with a lot of money for attorneys and obviously these default judgments, y'all. Wow. Man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. I really, man, I don't know, man. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. Let me see. You said she ain't no role model for the kids. Yeah, man, no role models at all, man. Ain't no role models, man. You said, what if Jaden took the baby? I mean, if that's the best person to be with, but do Chrisean want that? They claim they don't get along, right? You know? You said she in debt like her blue. Yeah, yup. They both, yup. You said she broke, got a court appointed attorney. Really? Man, that's crazy, man. You said, I am on your side. I was just saying that I didn't think that it was for a reality show. That's what I meant by you were doing too much. I don't care if you thought it was, so I'm doing too much because I gave my opinion saying that I think it was a reality show. You know, all of these people are on reality TV shows, right? Like, you do know that, right? You do know in reality TV shows, there's a lot of scripts and stuff going on, right? So I'm doing too much because I have my own opinion. You literally said that you're on my side, right? But once I say that maybe this was for a reality TV show, that I'm doing too much. Okay. Go to another channel. You was better off not even saying who you was and just chilling. Like, y'all just want attention. Because it's giving a fan. It's giving an unstable creature. Like, what are you talking about?
House full of women, cuz. House full of sensitive ass females. Dealing with they damn hormones. Y'all some unstable creatures. See, I ain't gonna say the B word. I'm gonna say unstable creatures. It's my new word for y'all.
Man, these people was crazy, man. It be these super fans, y'all. It be these, bruh, like, what are you talking about? Just want attention. I'm giving it to her. It's crazy, man. You said Chrisean has disrespected everyone in her village and weaponized the Bible for her own personal gain. Yep. I mean, I don't get it. You know. Grape T lost of words because of how ridiculous this situation is. All this could have been avoided. She put this on herself. You said the elders used to say, if you don't listen, you're gonna feel. Exactly. It's crazy, man. You said, I don't think it's Jaden's responsibility to take over unless her heart leads her to do so. There's a lot of to unpack in this situation. Definitely, man. Definitely. You said she made another. Yeah, man, you know these people crazy. You know these people be crazy, man. They claim they not unstable creatures, but they are. You know. I'm a bad person because I'm doing too much because I have an opinion. You said Jaden would be better than Carlissa. I don't know, man. I don't know. Jaden said it's not responsibility. Marsh has him. Oh, really? He said that? Wow. You know? I don't know, man. I don't know. This is so crazy, man. This whole situation is crazy. But like I said, it was bound to happen, y'all. It was bound to happen, man. You know, yeah, it's not a responsibility. If Blueface want her to have the baby, you know, and take care of the baby while he's in there and Chrisean's in there, like, I mean, so be it, you know. But it's no one's responsibility. It's supposed to be the next to kin, though, you know. So what's the whole deal with Karlissa and Blueface dad? You know, Blueface dad taking all these pictures. And remember, I told you I never trusted him. So I ended up being right, y'all. I told you I never trusted Blueface dad. And what'd he do? He showed his behind. Talking about he ain't no babysitter. Right? Didn't he say that? I don't know, man. I don't know. This whole, man. Oh, you don't think she want to deal with it? Yeah, I mean, she do got her own kids, you know. You know. Marsh got her own kids. I'm thinking like, why Karlissa can't? That's my issue. Why Karlissa and Blueface dad can't? She's been begging to be around this baby. I want my grandbaby. Let me see my grandbaby. Okay, here's your grandbaby. Oh, Marsh got it. What? Blueface dad taking all these pictures with the baby. Clout chasing. Now you don't want the baby? Come on, man. Like, none of this is making sense. You said in Cali, if there's not custody paperwork on file, then the child belongs to the state. Wow, really? Blueface dad is just a money-hungry clout chaser like Karlissa. Yep, that's what it looked like. That's what it looked like. Why y'all don't want the baby? It shouldn't have been even an argument. It shouldn't have even been an argument. You know? Yeah, you said the family not on the birth certificate. That's why. So this whole situation is just, I mean, so the baby was born to fail at this point. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man, that's messed up. Come on, dude. Like, that's so fouling out of pocket for Chrisean, man. So basically, since the Porters aren't on the birth certificate and stuff, like, and it's just Chrisean, like, nobody has rights to the baby other than Chrisean next to kin. It got to be Tesehki, right? Chastity, you know? You know? Like, bro, like, this is crazy. This whole situation is crazy, man. Let me see. You said in all the stuff Blueface dad was saying to Karlissa was just unnecessary. Yeah, like the whole situation was just out of pocket. You know? Like I'm just like, bro, why you didn't want the baby? You act like you with the baby any other time. You know? You said Karlissa wanted to make sure it was okay with Blueface before anyone took the baby. So, I mean, why wouldn't Blueface be cool with it? Because she was arrested before the court date. I mean, right before they went to court. You said Cali has different rules and regulations. Next of kin is no longer a thing here. Oh, wow, really? He could possibly go into the system and the family can do the work to get him. Wow. That's so sad. You don't think Karlissa believe that's real? Really her grandchild? Let's not forget that Karlissa is also part of the Blueface. Yeah. I don't know, man. None of this is making sense, man. Like, it's so sad, man. I don't know, man. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Where are the sisters? Where's Tesehki? You know? Her mom said she'll take the baby. You know, we know her situation, but maybe, you know, she'll sober up and clean up and stuff like that. You know, because, you know, especially when it comes to like people of a certain age, you know, once they get a certain age, a lot of people want something to live for, you know? And maybe if the baby was around, you know, her sister, I mean, because that's the next, you know, that's the next people, right? It wouldn't be Karlissa and them, right? It would have to be, you know, I mean, even though people feel some type of way about that, it would have to be China and Tessa and Chastity and Tesehki, right? You know, maybe this would be something that would, you know, help the mom, you know, clean up, sober up, you know, and, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know. You know, you said, let's see how long they, make a jail call to go viral. Yeah, we'll hear from Chrisean soon. You know, I don't know, man. It's just really sad that the baby had to go through this, man. You think they're all unfit? Yeah, I mean, they're all going through their own issues. I know. That's why I was saying, like, the baby just on both sides of the family, man. It's just like, you know, I still think that, you know, maybe Carlissa would be the best bet, you know? I don't know, man. Maybe Tesehki. Y'all saying Tesehki? Maybe Tesehki or what's the Carlissa. I think those would be the best bets. All right. So let's check this out, man. Shout out to Corey Lombardi for the post again. All right. He over here exposing Chrisean, right? For lying again, right? Check this out, you guys. It says Chrisean update. Chrisean's parole officer or probation. Chrisean's probation officer has been fully aware of today's arrest. She's also in receipt of these videos, so that Chrisean can't use that she didn't know that she had a warrant for her arrest. The DA, who Chrisean has said horrible things about, also have these videos too. Wow. Fair use.
My point is, I'm not on the run. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm not running from these motherfuckers. I wouldn't have came to the state if I felt like it was gonna be cops coming to lock me up. And if they was, lock me up. You feel me? Like, what's up? You feel me? I'm not one of them. Why? I have court Wednesday, bro. Like, I already talked to the Craigs County. I'm trying to, what the fuck? Like, what the hell? Oklahoma. They hard to get to. The DA is, I ain't gonna speak on her. She probably watching my live. Like, real shit. I swear to God, bro. She used to be a judge. She got demoted. Now she's just some grumpy motherfucker. Like, I don't have real cases out there, bro. I got pulled over in a fucking car.
Well, I mean, your warrants and your arrest says otherwise. So that's why I'm saying, why do they defend this? That's why these people are weird. They defend this behavior. Y'all know that, right? They defend her lying. She lies all the time. This is clearly a lie. She's in jail now for this. Like, what are you talking about? Crazy, man. Crazy. That's why I hate y'all just as much as she hates y'all.
Because everybody came to watch me and I ain't even get to play. I fucking hate these weird ass fans I got. I hate y'all.
You know what? They didn't tell me that I had to register.
Come on, man.
And then whatever. It's legal where I'm from, Cali. That's smoke. And then
so what is legal where you're from? It's not legal in that state. I know you're not that slow, y'all. She can't be this slow, y'all. Hey, I know what I have is illegal in your state, but where I'm from is legal. And you're from Baltimore, so you're not from Cali. What are you lying about? Come on, man.
But let me remind y'all, bro. When school was over, when high school was done, they just freed all the special ed kids out into the world. Didn't tell us who was who or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Our whole lives in school, we were separated. We knew who were who. We knew, all right, if they get the tripping, don't even pay them no mind. They special ed. You know what I'm saying? After high school, they let them out into society, and we don't know, bro. So when somebody trying, you just remember, they probably them. That's probably them right there, bro.
Man, that's crazy, man. Like, I don't know, man. I can't believe it, man. This whole situation is crazy.
it's just like, yeah, and then it's not even that. It's just like, it's just too much. Like, just don't get in trouble, because everything after that, even if it's unfair, it's still your fault. You feel me? So it's like, they got one jail, one courthouse, everybody white. It's not a place for a nigga for real. So it's like, all right, I've been trying to play chess with these motherfuckers, but
man, you know it's not a good idea to talk trash about the DA and the judge that's gonna prosecute you, because you know they're human too, right? So you know humans can be petty. If you don't think these people in the system are petty, you got another thing coming. They might throw the book at Chrisean just because.
Not even just today. It was like in general, like I paid out my pocket for a lawyer to go speak on my behalf, get in touch with the DA. She don't want to talk to my lawyer. She got an assistant talking. She running us around.
If you can you can hear. That mean you lying. If you can that mean you can hear. That means she ready to lie.
I've been trying to play chess with these motherfuckers, but not even just today. It was like in general, like I paid out my pocket for a lawyer to go speak on my behalf, get in touch with the DA. She don't want to talk to my lawyer. She got an assistant talking. She running us around. Assistant talking. She running us around. And 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 she running us around.
You would think she was juvenile, y'all. You walking around in that big body Benz, You ride around with your kid, You a paper chaser, got the black on fire. All right. Yeah. You're under arrest. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, she definitely got to think of what to say. Come on, man. Like, man, this is crazy, man. Oh, this is omission of guilt. Right. So this is basically her saying that she knew she had warrants. She just didn't turn herself in. And she had the nerve to talk bad about the DA and the, what's the name, calling them racist. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? I don't think that's a good look. You know? Like, I don't know, man. I don't think that's a good look. You know? But let's keep it going. This is her explaining that she knows she got warrants and she not going to jail on purpose.
All my warrants are getting cleaned up. I've been paying off fees and getting rid of shit, talking to certain people to help my situation out. Cause you know I have my son, so the old me would have just turned myself in and that what it threw from inside to the outside of the jail. So whatever. So I don't be like, you know. But right now I gotta play cautious because you know I don't plan on being in jail while my son is growing. Like I just don't plan on that at all. All my warrants are getting cleaned up. I've been paying off fees and getting rid of shit, talking to certain people to help my situation out. Cause you know I have my son, so the old me would have just turned myself in and that what it threw from inside to the outside of the jail. So
that means she's not even a better person, y'all. Y'all supposed to become a better person when you have kids, when you grow older. You're supposed to become a better person, right? Right? She said the old me. Y'all know the baddies Chrisean that was really beating people up? She said the old her would have turned herself in. The new her not turning herself in. So this don't seem like a person that's changed. Remember all that narrative with all these weirdos supporting her? Oh, she's changed. She was doing good. She cut Blueface off. She was making music. She literally just said, the new me, I ain't turning myself in. I'm on the run.
All my warrants are getting cleaned up. I've been paying off fees and getting rid of shit, talking to certain people to help my situation out. Cause you know I have my son, so the old me would have just turned myself in and that what it threw from inside to the outside of the jail. So whatever. So I don't be like, you know. But right now I gotta play cautious because you know I don't plan on being in jail while my son is growing. Like I just don't plan on that.
Well, you didn't have to plan on it, okay? Well, here's the thing. As an adult, as a parent, you were supposed to plan on going to jail while your son is growing, okay? because you're on the run. You're supposed to turn yourself in. You were supposed to plan ahead so you can make sure that this baby is in the proper care. He's with somebody that you can actually trust. Okay? And from what people saying in the chat, people feel like it's maybe it's Tesehki, right? But you didn't plan nothing. Nothing was planned, y'all. She literally just went up there with that baby and got arrested. And people arguing in the courtroom, talking about we don't want, I'm not a babysitter. I'm not taking the baby. Oh my Lord. Yep. Serving time is the only thing that cleans up your warrant. Yep. She don't get it. She would have been cleaned this up. She probably would only had to do 30 days, y'all. Yeah. On the run. No, he said on the run and on live. No, on the run and in a football league. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I mean, this is crazy, man. She probably had Junior because she thought he would keep her out of jail. I don't know why she thinking that. Yeah, she was lying. Yep. She was lying about turning herself in. Yep. And like I said, the Chris stalkers, the unstable creatures, they'll argue with me saying that I'm a hater. When this girl, like, I bring up nothing but receipts, you guys. I'm not saying nothing that's just out of my, you know what I'm saying? I'll say something that's like my opinion. I say, hey, this could be on some reality TV stuff. It definitely could be. Everything that we see, you don't have to believe it all the time. I can have my own opinion, but we got people in here, you doing too much. And then got the nerve to make another page and try to tell me again. Yeah, I'm just telling you doing too much. Girl, if you don't get up out of here, weirdo. These people are insane, man. These unstable creatures, boy.
House full of women, cuz. House full of sensitive ass females. Dealing with they damn hormones. Y'all some unstable creatures. See, I ain't gonna say the B word. I'm gonna say unstable creatures. It's my new word.
I mean, you can't make this up, man. You cannot make this up, man. I don't know, man. Like, I mean, it's scary at this point that people think like this, and they're still defending this. This woman is on live saying, for one, she was lying, right? She was lying about not having charges and stuff like that, and it's not a big deal. She not on the run and stuff, right? And then got the nerve to really throw shots at the judge and the DA, calling them racist and stuff. And then she go on live and say, I'm not turning myself in. I'm gonna watch my baby grow. I'm not planning on going to jail. Girl, you should have planned for that, because we don't know. You don't know what's going to happen with your baby now. And we got people defending her. Thank you so much. You say you just speaking the truth. Only liars have problems with the truth. Exactly. Yeah, they losing their minds, man. I don't know, man. You said whenever a lie, yep. Whenever she opened her mouth, man, a lie coming out. Yeah. I mean, that's what y'all saying. Y'all saying Tesehki probably the person that's gonna be, the best person to take care of the baby. Yeah, she did lie about not hitting James. Yep, and they believed it. No, you know what else? They were saying? Oh, what did he do to her? How you know he didn't do nothing to her? How you know he didn't do nothing to her? And in my mind, I was like, there's no way he didn't do nothing to her, because Tamar Braxton said it herself that she never even had an altercation or nothing at none of her shows. And she been performing since the 90s. She said that was the first thing anything ever happened. You know what I'm saying? So why when Chrisean come around, all of a sudden something happened? We know when she come around, chaos ensues. Chaos happens. Okay? Yeah, talking down like that on the judge. I'm telling you, and going on live. Crazy, man. You say you better not let them get to you. They are unstable creatures. They're leaders. Yeah, they're infuriated. Nah, man, I'm just keeping it real. You know I don't care. That's why I just block him. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But we just gonna keep giving receipts. You feel me? Check this out. All right. Shout out to Corey Lombardi with the T. He says Blueface will not be released early now. He will be released in July as anticipated. And we don't even know if that's gonna happen. Excuse me, guys. Sip some of this water. Excuse me. Yeah, but this was posted before they even found the whole, MATH, the narcotics in his cell. So he's saying that he said his 2.5-year probation has been revoked. It was ordered that he stay in jail for 365 days due to his probation violation. His year in jail is not because of a hold for Las Vegas. He says, I can vouch that that is not the case. He said the hearing, because he posted this yesterday. He said tomorrow's hearing will officially be ordered of his year in jail. Wow. So remember, guys, this was before the situation with the narcotics that they allegedly found in his cell. So ain't no telling when Blueface go get out of jail, y'all. We don't know when Blueface go get out of jail. We don't know when Blueface go get out of jail, y'all. Wow. So this baby can be without his parents for God knows how long. Okay? For God knows how long, y'all. Yeah, man. It says he got an assault with an unaliving weapon with force. Possible great bodily injury. Okay? 2 years, 5 months is his term. It was revoked. It says jail as a condition of probation at 354 days at Los Angeles County Jail. Wow. Probation violation hearing. Yep. Wow. This is so crazy, y'all. This is so crazy. We've been saying that this woman should have did what she had to do so she could take care of this baby. You know? And it's sad to even say that because that's the parents, The baby is better off without either parent. That's sad, man. That's crazy, man. I don't know, man. Yeah, Brock ain't got no bail. That's what I'm saying. So it looked like they both about to be in jail for a while. We had to block somebody else. Geez, they are in here, huh? She literally went there to turn herself in, goofy. Yeah, you came in here to get your attention and you got blocked, goofy. So try again. Go make another account so you can come in and get blocked again. Okay? You said I'm a goofy for not saying that she turned herself in, right? So are you a goofy for supporting somebody that drank and smoked throughout her entire pregnancy and wanted to get rid of the baby? Let me know.
I don't think I want to be a Blueface girlfriend.
Get yourself together.
Where the bottle at?
Oh my gosh.
Drink it.
She asked for another bottle. I'm just
you got no liquor? Yes, I can. I can abort the child tomorrow. It won't hurt me.
No, you can't have no fucking liquor.
You don't want to have a kid? I don't want to have a kid. And I know it's his kid. I don't care. I'm still killing it. That's the fun part about it. Can we go? Where we going?
Listen to yourself.
What? I don't know what to do. I don't want to do it no more. I give the fuck up.
You don't have to deal with him. You still can raise your baby. You gotta leave your emotions out of it. Sometimes
I left it out. I got no emotions no more.
All right, so you cannot do that to the baby, though, Muda.
Cause that's his baby. I don't want his baby. I don't want to have nobody baby no more, bro. I'm over it. Y'all not listening.
I am listening, Muda.
What's wrong? I don't want to have a baby no more. Y'all keep saying the other shit. Y'all want me to let me just get this abortion, leave it alone. I got rid of his kids plenty of times before that. You feel me? So it's like you
just say it like that?
Because I was ready to get rid of this one, like willingly, like I fuck it. He don't want it no more. Fuck it. I should go too with you to get this abortion, huh? Not real shit. I don't know what to do. First, I was getting pregnant, and then I abort this shit. Like, ooh, 3 times with him. So I was just like, all right, we're not ready. All right, you don't want it. All right, cool. Ma, I don't want to have a baby no more. I'm getting an abortion tomorrow.
Why? I don't believe in that. Children are for the future. It's not for today.
I get it, but I'm just saying.
Well, give it to me.
Hell no.
I don't believe in that, Sean. I had 12.
Ma, he don't want to have a kid. I damn near don't want to have a kid. I'm ready to kill this baby. I'm ready to kill this baby. I made up my motherfucking mind, right? Things gonna rush to my head like, damn, y'all, I almost killed you with abortion. Like, on some real shit, I want to.
So we got to remember, y'all, the people that come in here and support this, that means they're just as evil as Chrisean. We just got to, you know, we can't like just, we just can't let them slide with the being slow thing. It's like, oh, okay, you're an evil criminal person that, you know, drink and smoke throughout their pregnancy. Okay, that's what you support. That's what you support. Ain't no way around it.
Like, I don't know, I had to find my audience for real.
Who is your audience? Big, black, toxic, bottom feeders.
You a hater.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it only makes sense.
House full of women, cuz. House full of sensitive ass females. Dealing with they damn hormones. Y'all some unstable creatures. See, I ain't gonna say the B word. I'm gonna say unstable creatures. It's my new word.
Stop playing, man. Stop playing. Come on, man. It's evil. How can you watch that, know everything that this woman has done, okay, and still be like, you a hater, you this, you that? It's like, for one, why am I hating on somebody like Chrisean? Y'all never thought about that? They don't even be using their brain. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay, my bad. So these weirdos that support her want her to be their kid's idol too, right?
So I come home. This is what I come home to. She tatted up. How'd you think about these ideas? Why'd you get a neck tattoo and a face tattoo?
Because Chrisean got it.
What did she get?
Blueface.
Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Come on. We got to do better, man.
The 12, 2015.
Yes.
And have you been changed in any way according, based on what's in front of you?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, the state now moves to admit.
Come on, man. This is sad, bro. Y'all slow.
But let me remind y'all, bro, when school was over, when high school was done, they just freed all the special ed kids out into the world, didn't tell us who was who or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Our whole lives in school, we were separated. We knew who were who. We knew, all right, if they get the tripping, don't even pay them no mind, they special ed, you know what I'm saying? After high school, they let them out into society, and we don't know, bruh. So when somebody trying you, just remember, they probably them. That's probably them right there, bruh.
Stop playing, bro. Yeah, so that's why y'all see I have no regard. I have no, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna have no time. I'm not gonna handle these Chris stalkers, these unstable creatures with class, because they don't have class. They come in here try to tell you how to run your channel. Get the hell out of here. You're blocked. The hell? Why are you talking about her? Because I can, for one. I'm a celebrity blogger. I get paid to talk about her. You don't. You're worshiping somebody who don't care about you for free. She hates you just as much as I hate you.
Because everybody came to watch me and I didn't even get to play. I fucking hate these weird ass fans I got. I hate y'all. You know what? They didn't tell me that I had to register.
All right. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. This is proof that we're here for Junior, man. We've always vouched for the well-being, the welfare, okay? The wellness, the security, okay? The safety of Junior. It's always been about that. We've always dragged Chrisean. We drag Blueface. We drag everybody. I'm a celebrity blogger. You know what I'm saying? But it seems like as soon as you bring up Chrisean, all of these weirdos start coming up. Y'all don't even praise God this much. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, y'all weird. There's no reason, man. I'm telling you, that idol worship is, man. And y'all, it's crazy because y'all listen to Chrisean and bring up God when she bring up God, but y'all don't live by God. There's nothing godly about Chrisean. For one, idol worship is blasphemy. You ain't supposed to put nobody over the Most High. Y'all put Chrisean over the Most High every day. Y'all pray to Chrisean when y'all go to bed. Y'all got a whole mural. You got a whole mural that look just like this, looking goofy just like y'all. And y'all pray to this. The most Chrisean, my highness, all praises to you in your missing tooth, in your negligence to your baby, and your crimes. Okay, we love you're violent. We love that you're violent. We love that you're a fugitive, that you're a criminal. Okay, we won't stand for anybody talking about you and worshiping you. Okay, so we're gonna go on random people channels and tell them about themselves because we're broke. And I'm not saying it because I feel that way. That's how Chrisean feel about y'all. Y'all know that, right? Chrisean said, why would she listen to y'all? Y'all are broke. Okay? Y'all are broke. Why would she listen to y'all? Okay? Y'all broke, y'all crazy, and y'all stalkers. Y'all know I'm not saying that, right? Y'all know Chrisean has said that, right? Right? Okay? I'm not the person that said that. Chrisean has said that herself. All right? Do I have to find that? Let's find that. Okay? In the meantime, y'all like the video. In the meantime, y'all like the video. All right? All right? So, it looked like Grape T be having to find the receipts, okay? Grape T be having to find the receipts on y'all, right? So, these people really don't believe that Chrisean hate her fans. That's the crazy thing about it. Like, she really don't like y'all. She do not care about what y'all got to say. Right? Let me see, man. Let me see if I can find that clip, man. Okay. Let's see if I can find that clip. In the meantime, like I said, man, y'all like the video. Share the video. Okay? Y'all could be anywhere else, but you're here with Grape T News, giving you the late T News, okay? I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. Okay, shout out to the Grape T gang. Shout out to the replay gang. Woo, y'all lucky I can't find this clip right now, boy. Woo, y'all lucky. Y'all is lucky. I'm gonna have it up though. I'm gonna find it. Ooh, y'all lucky, man. But Chrisean got a whole video and just putting y'all in y'all place. She do not care about what y'all say. Okay? She do not care about what y'all got to say. Okay? Matter of fact, she says she hates y'all. Man, I'm just mad, man, because I just saw the clip again. It'd be smart for me to download it this time, so now I can play the whole clip. I can play the whole clip on y'all. Woo, y'all lucky. In the meantime, I'm gonna look for it. In the meantime, I'm gonna let y'all know how Tasha K feel about Chrisean too in the baby situation. All right, fair use. All right.
Baby neck ain't been supported. Baby been everywhere but to the doctor. She online more than she at the fucking pediatrician. Baby neck ain't supported. Back ain't supported. All this negative energy. Yeah, Blueface ain't got nothing to do with this. Matter of fact, I salute that brother because he did the right thing. This is a picture of the baby that she sent to him to get him to come see the baby. Ain't you supposed to return like seven days later to get the baby circumcised? They can't circumcise the baby because the baby's is the same size as the baby's belly. And it's a hernia, which means the baby's probably having problems passing urine. We didn't even know this shit was going on here. But we saw her on live and y'all talking about postpartum depression. Have some grace for this sorry heels have eyes bitch. That's why she don't mind losing a tooth or two, because that's where she come from. You can't tell me that Chrisean ain't no crackhead baby. And she don't deserve no fucking babies in her care. This shit triggered me. And now she want to talk about, oh, I'm pressing charges on Blue. No, bitch. You need charges pressed on your sorry ass. You ain't the first single mother and won't be the last. But there's no excuse for that baby to be walking around with a scrotum and a penis the size of his stomach while you online crying about a nigga that said he didn't want you. You a hoe. He's a pimp. And that's how it go in the relationship. Everybody worried about her crying and this baby been online crying. Fluids and shit backing up in the baby. And y'all wanna praise this shit? Like, this is the shit that bothers me with social media. Why is you on live and your baby is suffering? And you gonna run down and press charges. Bitch, I hope they lock you up. I hope when they see the picture that Blue post.
Okay? Like, stop playing, bro. I'm the bad guy, though. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm over here speaking the truth. You know, they worship this person, though. And look, what did Grape T find, y'all? What did Grape T find? Huh? You're just making stuff up. She don't like y'all. Y'all are weird to her.
I don't give a fuck what nobody say at this point. Real shit. Like, even my fan pages tag me in what they want to see from me and all this other shit. I want to see this from you. I want to see that from you. I don't give a fuck what the fuck you want to see, bro. Y'all some irrelevant people. I mean, thank you for following me. Thank you for supporting me. But stop being weird. Like, I'm obligated to listen to y'all motherfuckers because I don't know none of y'all, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all. If I was to keep it a bean, y'all keeping up with me. I'm not keeping up with nobody that's in my DM saying, oh, I think you should try this. I think you should try. I'm not trying shit. I'm going to keep running this back. What is you geeking for? Everybody getting on my nerves, bro. I'm keeping it real, being just mad that I cheated. Like, well, I don't give a fuck what nobody say at this point. Real shit. Like, even my fan pages tag me in what they want to see from me and all this other shit. I want to see this from you. I want to see that from you. I don't give a fuck what the fuck you want to see, bro. Y'all some irrelevant people. I mean, thank you for following me. Thank you for supporting me. But stop being weird. Like, I'm obligated to listen to y'all motherfuckers because I don't know none of y'all, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all. If I was to keep it a bean, y'all keeping up with me. I'm not keeping up with nobody that's in my DM saying, oh, I think you should try this. I think you should try. I'm not trying shit. I'm going to keep running this back. What is you geeking for? Everybody getting on my nerves, bro. I'm keeping it real, being just mad that I cheated. Like,
come on, man. But I'm just talking, y'all. You know, I just be talking. you know, don't mind nothing that I say, you know. I show nothing but receipts about what the chick be saying to her, like, she be saying it herself. Like, bruh, that's how you know these people slow. She hates y'all. I hate y'all just like she do. All right?
Because everybody came to watch me and I didn't even get to play. I fucking hate these weird ass fans I got. I hate y'all. You know what? They didn't tell me that I had to register.
She said she don't care about what y'all think. So why do you think I care about what y'all think about her? She don't care about what y'all think. Come on, man. Make it make sense, man. Make it make sense. All right? So what the heck happened here, y'all? Fair use, man. This is Carlissa at the courtroom, right? At the courthouse, right? What's going on with the baby, y'all? What was this scream? This is scary, man. This makes me like, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Remember the baby was screaming like this at Chrisean house, or at Blueface house when Chrisean went live. Remember? And we were worried then. We was like, man, what's going on? You know?
Can you hear me? That's not karma. That's somebody going to hell. Whoever called the cops going to hell. Straight to H-E-L-L. That was a low fucking blow. Who? Yeah, that was a low fucking blow.
That sound wasn't concerning to at least get up and go check what's going on? You just looking? Like, bruh, what is going on, man? Look, somebody even in the chat said, Carlissa, get Junior. Man, these people is insane, y'all. Come on, man. This is sad.
Can you hear me on there? Can you hear me? That's not karma. That's somebody going to hell.
Whoever called the cops on Chrisean is going to hell. Are you that slow? He was going to jail regardless. What are you talking about? Come on, bruh.
Straight to H-E-L-L. That was a low fucking blow. Who? Yeah, that was a low fucking blow.
You hear that? Yeah, we hear that. If we can hear that, I know you heard it. Like, bro, stop playing, bro. Like, these people is crazy, man. I'm already irritated, bro. These people are all weirdos, bro. People are weirdos. Like, come on, man. You can't have the decency to just get up and go see what's going on with the baby? You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. Like, you can't make this up, man. Yeah, man, we gotta pray. Yeah, we gotta pray for Junior, man. We always said we're Team Junior to anybody. To be honest with you, I don't care about none of these people. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for the super sticker, Myrna. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. But yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is just none of them want the responsibility. Remember, this the same woman. I want my grandbaby. Let me see my grandbaby. The baby could be with me. Like, man, it's just crazy, man. Chrisean is scandalous. They were probably scared to move. They done them all dirty. Legally, it's not her grandchild. Man. Yeah, man. Pray for Junior, man. Yeah, man. She online for clout. Go tend to the damn baby. We used to have to remember we were saying that about Chrisean. She'll be live, and you just hear the baby in the background. We like, hey, maybe you should care more about what's going on in the background with the baby than staring into a screen, talking to people that don't know you, that you don't care about. You said it yourself, you know. Come on, man. This is crazy, man. That's so sad, man. Hearing that, bro, was just, it's a bad feeling in my stomach hearing that. It's like a sense of worry. It's like gives you that anxiety. When the hair like sticks up, on your arm or the back of your neck, it's like, whoa, like, is the baby okay? Like, what's going on?
That's not karma. That's somebody going to hell. Whoever called the cops going to hell. Straight to Hell. That was a low fucking blow. Who? Yeah, that was a low fucking blow.
Look. She do a look of concern and then start looking straight back at the damn screen. What really? You do a look of concern and then you look straight back at the damn screen. Come on, man. These people are insane, bro. And then they over here arguing about who gonna take care of the baby. It shouldn't even be an argument. Man. Fair use, man.
I only watch the baby 5% of the time. Let's not get it twisted. I'm not been in the fucking house. I'm not the babysitter. Okay? I've been in there for fucking time where it was needed. Only. You're online thinking I'm the fucking babysitter. My job ain't no fucking babysitter.
Come on, man. He said he ain't no babysitter. He don't want to take care of the baby.
I only watch the baby 5% of the time. Let's not get it twisted. I'm not been in the fucking house. I'm not the babysitter. Okay? I've been in there for fucking time where it was needed. Only. You're online thinking I'm the fucking babysitter. My job ain't no fucking babysitter.
Man, he turned into Blueface Senior, all right, huh? Blueface, baby. All right. He started not claiming his baby so fast. That's crazy. What? Like, it shouldn't even be an argument. Even if y'all gotta like, all right, for a few days, throughout the week, he'll the baby be with me for 3 days, the baby with you for the, for 4 days, or I got the baby throughout the week, you got the baby on the weekends. Like, I don't even think why is this even an argument? Y'all the grandparents, right?
I only watch the baby 5% of the time. Let's not get it twisted. I'm not been in the fucking house. I'm not the babysitter. Okay? I've been in there for fucking time where it was needed. Only. You're online thinking I'm the fucking babysitter. My job ain't no fucking babysitter.
He said he ain't no babysitter, y'all. He said he ain't no babysitter. Wow. Use the baby for clout. You taking all them pictures, you reading to the baby, feeding them. Fake love, exactly. Yep. That's sad, man. Use the baby for clout. Now he's not a babysitter, exactly. You ain't no babysitter, you supposed to be a grandfather. Come on, man. Yeah, you've been taking care of him for 6 months. Now all of a sudden, you ain't no babysitter. We seen the baby with you more than we seen it with Chrisean. Come on, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. You said she might have been acting. Well, I told you this is, at the end of the day, this is the new reality shows, y'all. It's 24/7 cycle now. It never stops. It's 24/7 on social media now. So I told you, I wouldn't be surprised. Can you imagine how they argue when they were younger? Oh my God. Can you imagine? Can you imagine a 20-something-year-old Carlissa and a 20-something-year-old Jonathan Sr. arguing over Blueface? Oh man. I can only imagine the ratchetry. You know what I'm saying? The ghetto-ness. They doing this at a courthouse in front of everybody. You know what I'm saying? Can you imagine behind closed doors? Come on, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. But Carlissa has something to say, y'all. Carlissa went live right after this, talking about the baby with Marsh. Okay? And Marsh was like, oh, I can't take the baby right now. I'm about to go get my hair done. Girl, what? Remember, Marsh is the girl that Chrisean essentially chose over Tesehki and jumped Tesehki with her. You don't even know this girl like that. Just slow, bro. This whole situation is crazy, man. But check this out, y'all. Fair use, fair use.
Room with the baby and let my son tell you what he wants you to do with the baby. That's all I asked her tomorrow on the Patreon for y'all to see, because I knew they was gonna go try to chop it like we didn't want the baby. Everybody that was there today, I even think at one point Jaden looked up like she would take the baby. We wasn't no type of people y'all saying, oh, this family ain't shit. Wasn't nobody.
I don't know. To me, man, it didn't look like neither one of y'all wanted the baby. So I don't know what footage you about to show, because I watched it. Y'all was arguing. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? He said, I ain't no babysitter. You know? So I'm very interested in what she talking about. She about to drop, because girl, that's gonna probably have Marvels. You know what I'm saying? Batman, Superman, CGI effects. That's who you got editing the movie. Avengers. The type of editing that's about to be in that video. What you talking about? Because I saw it. It was plain to see. 4K. Y'all was arguing about who about to take that baby. So what you talking about, boo-boo? Because I'm lost here. I'm lost. Make it make sense. Make it make sense.
Wasn't nobody leaving there and not taking that baby but Jonathan Daddy. Okay? That's the only person who said he wasn't no babysitter. Now, everybody who know me know I would have walked out of that motherfucker with my baby and treated that baby just like he was Jonathan, like he was Jonathan himself.
Uh-oh. Like he was Jonathan, baby. Was that a Freudian slip, y'all? I think that was a Freudian slip. Huh?
Who know me know I would have walked out of that motherfucker with my baby and treated that baby just like he was Jonathan, like he was
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Fucker with my baby and treated that baby just like he was Jonathan, like he.
Uh-oh. I think that was a Freudian slip, y'all. She probably that was a little slip of the tongue. I think that was a little slip of the tongue right there.
Who know me know I would have walked out of that motherfucker with my baby and treated that baby just like he was Jonathan, like he was Jonathan himself.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. That was it definitely could have just been a simple mistake, but huh? Like it was Jonathan, baby. Like, this shouldn't even be an argument. It is his baby. So why would you even say that? Uh-oh.
And when she came home, I would have handed her baby back. I would have took her baby up there to visit her. I would have did whatever it takes, because I know how it feels to be locked up and wonder what's going on with your kids. So y'all on this internet making up all these type of different stories, hell to the no. We would not have left that baby in there. Me and Bree would have patted all night long until she got home. So that is not true. I don't like the blogs. I seen the on-site post try to make it like I didn't want to take the baby. You should have played the whole recording, but guess what? My camera crew was there in the house and we recorded the entire fucking thing. And you will hear everybody on the recording trying to figure out the best situation for the baby. Marsh pulled up, we locked eyes, we had a moment. I asked her, go in here and wait for the court date. We'll ask the judge what Jonathan wants to do with the baby since the mama not here. She said, I gotta go, I got a hair appointment. She took the baby and she left. Now, if she called me tomorrow and say she need help with the baby, if you know me, you know I will pull up wherever she at, get my ass whooped 10 times and help her with that baby. So all this, Carlissa, our family fucked up. Use a goddamn lie. Because I looked over at Jaden and Jaden felt that shit too. And I do believe in my heart that she would have helped with that baby too. So stop saying we fucked up because somebody didn't want to be no babysitter. Bitch, I would. There was another lady there. I never seen the lady before, so she had the baby. I didn't want to just snatch the baby from her, so I told Jonathan, Daddy, do not leave this baby's sight to go get nothing. I don't care if he wet, need a bottle. You need to take him with you. You the only person this baby know right now. So to let this lady watch the baby for 2 seconds, I told him, no, hell no. That's why we started going back and forth. It wasn't like we just started arguing about who gonna watch the baby. I'm telling him, I don't know the lady. I don't give a fuck who the lady is. She might have just met the lady. I don't know. I said, don't leave this baby. Don't take your eyes off him for any emergency, anything. And then he said Marsh was coming to get the baby. That's what Chrisean wanted. We all agreed if that's what she wanted her baby to go. I asked Marsh, please come into the courtroom and tell Jonathan what has happened and ask him if he wants you to take the baby home. Now, if he wants us to take the baby home, then I'll take the baby home. And Marsh said, it's okay, Miss Carlissa, I got the baby. I videoed the whole thing. My cameras was rolling the whole time upstairs. So the way they tried to put it out, like we this horrible family, didn't nobody want to take the baby, that's a motherfucking lie. You know. Marsh will take good care of him, but Marsh's concern was going to get her hair done, and I didn't think that should have been the main focus at that.
Exactly. For one, you talking about Papa Blue leaving him. Like, wait, what is going on, man? Like, come on, man. Like, come on, man. For one, it's negligence from both of the grandparents, allegedly, right? Why y'all don't just take the baby? Now you talking about Marsh, you putting it on Marsh, right? And Marsh talking about, I'm about to go get my hair did. What? Girl, your so-called best friend just got arrested. You don't know when she gonna be around, when she gonna get out, when the next time you gonna be able to just talk to her. and you talking about getting your hair did. Her baby, like, man, these people was crazy, man. These people was crazy, man.
Moment. She said, I gotta go get my hair done. My mother nature kicked in and said, whoa, your bestie just went to jail. And we gotta figure something out with the baby, and your hair gotta wait. So I just wanted Jonathan to let her know what he wanted to do. Okay? Because sometimes, the mom make a quick decision, and it might not be the decision that the daddy want to make. I don't like the way y'all did that on site. Like, we didn't want to take the baby, and we just a horrible family. I know you had more footage than what you put on there. I know I have rights before anybody in that motherfucking courtroom, and that's why I was trying to exercise them once I realized that the daddy was not trying to take the baby home with him. But Marsh came in real fast like a flash of lightning, and I wasn't gonna get to arguing and fighting about nobody's baby in the courtroom. And I know she loved Chrisean, and I know she loved the baby. She is the godmother. But that's why I asked her, let's go in here and let Jonathan tell us what he want to do, since we can at least talk to him right now. Didn't nobody say they didn't want to take the baby or we wasn't going to take the baby. Me and Jaden both looked at each other like, it's Jonathan, baby, so whatever we got to do to make sure that the baby is safe and don't feel this, I can guarantee you that was the look on both of our faces. Right, I don't want to get no child abduction charge, but I don't think I can get no child abduction charge if our blood match. Jonathan can do something. The judge could have let him speak on the child's behalf right there in the courtroom. If you got common sense, he could have told the judge, my baby mama just went to jail. Can I give the baby to my mom, or can I give the baby to my dad, or I'm okay with the baby going with Marsh?
Why is she talking about if the blood match? If that's your grandson, right? It ain't no if that your blood matches. Go get your grandson. What are you talking about if the blood match? What are you talking about? Like, I'm so fed up with this whole situation, y'all. I mean, that baby deserves better. We got all these clout chasers around the baby. Want to do these photo ops and these long posts. Oh, I'll miss my grandkids. Chrisean won't let me see my grandbaby. All this stuff. Now you can have this baby 24/7. And the way Papa Blue was promoting clout chasing with the baby, like I said, y'all both can share the time. It's nothing wrong. It's nothing wrong with half and half. Somebody have junior 3 days, the other one have the junior 4 days. Or if y'all got some type of, I got them through the week, you got them on the weekends, whatever the case may be. I got them Monday through Thursday, I got them Friday through Sunday. Take care of that baby. All of a sudden, y'all get real slow when it's time to actually take the baby. Y'all start looking real slow.
But let me remind y'all, bro, when school was over, when high school was done, they just freed all the special ed kids out into the world, didn't tell us who was who or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Our whole lives in school, we were separated. We knew who were who. We knew, all right, if they get the tripping, don't even pay them no mind, they special ed, you know what I'm saying? After high school, they let them out into society, and we don't know, bro. So when somebody trying you, just remember, they probably them. That's probably them right there, bro.
I'm telling you. And I think Papa Blue and Carlissa is probably them. It's probably them. Cause I mean, I'm not feeling this, bro. They was capping this whole time, clout chasing this whole time. Y'all don't care about this baby. We care about the baby more than you do. Grape T gotta start daddy daycare around his mother. That's what it seemed like. It seemed like we care about the baby more than y'all do. Come on, man. Come on, man.
This is absolutely just too much. It's too much. It's too much. I know I don't even have high blood pressure, but I felt faint. And then after all of that happened, I walk in there and Jonathan's sitting there looking like old dog from Menace to Society. This gotta stop. If y'all really fans of either one of them or both of them, y'all need to stop the back and forth fanship and need to start praying for these young people, because y'all been in this situation before and y'all know they need some help. This is going too far now. It ain't fun and games no more when now somebody else got the baby. And I do believe that Marsh takes very good care of her son. Every time I see her, she's all about her kids. So I don't feel unsafe, but I do feel like that's not what Jonathan would have wanted based on the last incident that they had. So I just wanted it to clarify, if the daddy is staying at the house, then keep the baby in the same environment and continue to keep caring for him so he don't feel nothing if you normally have him. That was the common sense thing to do. Then for the baby who don't know me to be looking around crying and don't know what the hell going on. Jonathan daddy lived with him, so that my nature as a mom said, just try to keep it so he don't feel it for as long as we possibly can. I wasn't trying to argue with Jonathan daddy about all that shit he was talking about. I'm trying to check on him. Nigga, we got a whole baby here and the son in jail and the baby mama just went to jail. We got problems. Ain't nobody checking on your fingernail polish, nigga. We don't give a fuck about your fingernail polish. All we need to be concerned about right now is Jonathan.
All right, so okay. So if you feel like he was acting a certain way, you should have just been the bigger person, right? And like, all right, since you want to act weird, you know what I'm saying, with your little blue fingernails, I'll take the baby. All right? Don't ask me for nothing. Don't do this, don't do that. No, all right, cool. We good over here. I'm going to grab my grandbaby, okay? Okay? I'm going to grab my son's child, and I'm going to make sure Junior is good. Instead of arguing, talking about, oh, we got problems, you need to do this, do that. I mean, from your recollection, he wasn't really there for Junior. I mean, for his actual Junior, right? I know Blueface is a junior. He's Jonathan Porter Jr. So why would you think why would you think he'd be there for Junior? That's another question. But it's because we saw the photo ops, okay? He going for the clout, right? He going for the clout. And coming to find out, it don't seem like he really liked that baby at all. You know what I'm saying? That's just the vibe that I'm getting. Or maybe it's because he don't really like Chrisean like that. I don't know. But the way he was acting was very weird. Oh, I'm not no babysitter. Well, every time we see you, you babysitting the baby. So how the hell you ain't no babysitter? And if anything, you the grandfather. Marsh is the babysitter. Can we stop playing dumb? Come on, man. You said they grown, so what the social media people have to do with it? Right. They in their 50s. And look how messy they are. This is just crazy, man. You know. We don't know these people, man, so we don't really know what's going on behind the scenes, you know. You said the clout sitter. Put a helicopter in the chat for Abday. The clout sitter. Yeah, he definitely a clout sitter. You know? I don't know, man. He babysat one time at best, twice the host projecting. Yeah, you're blocked. We've literally seen him babysit Junior way more times than 2. So you can project watching this not from the chat. You can project watching this from the clouds. Have a good time with that. Have a good time with that. Hope you enjoy the show.
And what these white folks gonna say to him about this, whatever going on in jail, and this baby. Now, I understand if you don't want to go bail her out, but what you should be wanting to do is that, so that you ain't got to babysit if you got a problem with all of a sudden babysitting. Now, you done been running up and down the hot-ass football field taking care of the baby. Now, all of a sudden, it's a problem. This don't make no kind of sense. And y'all fans need to stop being flip-flopping on this side and that side. All these kids got the same mama and daddy. So every time you do something to one or the other, you hurting the kids. Y'all ain't no real fans. Y'all don't really love Chrisean. Y'all don't really love Jaden. Y'all really do love me. I know y'all do, because I don't play with the white folks or the law, okay? I pulled up with my professional security today. So
this woman is insane, y'all. She said, y'all don't really love Chrisean. Y'all don't really love Jaden, but I wait, I know y'all love me. What? Man. Is this narcissist behavior, y'all? That sounded crazy what she just said.
If you got a problem with all of a sudden babysitting, now you done been running up and down the hot-ass football field taking care of the baby. Now all of a sudden, it's a problem. This don't make no kind of sense. And y'all fans need to stop being flip-flopping on this side and that side. All these kids got the same mama and daddy. So every time you do something to one or the other, you hurting the kids. Y'all ain't no real fans. Y'all don't really love Chrisean. Y'all don't really love Jaden. Y'all really do love me. I know y'all do, because I don't play with the white folks or the law. Okay?
Hey, this woman's delusional, y'all. We are really witnessing delusion right now. What did she just say?
This don't make no kind of sense. And y'all fans need to stop being flip-flopping on this side and that side. All these kids got the same mama and daddy. So every time you do something to one or the other, you hurting the kids. Y'all ain't no real fans. Y'all don't really love Chrisean. Y'all don't really love Jaden. Y'all really do love me. I know y'all do, because I...
From the 12th, 2015.
Yes.
Okay. And have you been changed in any way according, based on what's in front of you?
No.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, the state now moves to admit.
I don't play with the white folks or the law, okay? I pulled up with my professional security today, so I don't have none of these kind of problems. Now y'all can tell Marsh if the load get too heavy with 2 kids and she ain't used to it full time, she can damn sure call me, and I'm gonna love him just like he Jonathan, just like Carter, just like Jesus, and I will take my turn to help her with the baby. But no, ma'am, we did not all just sit there and act like we didn't want to take care of the baby like the blogs tried to make it seem. It's another part to that video, and don't worry, I'm gonna upload it tonight on the Patreon, the whole video, so y'all can see how they chip and chop shit to make y'all think, oh, this person or that person, to have a narrative, and that's cool. That's your job as a journalist. I get it, but not when it's about no kids. Don't play with us about no kids. I don't care if I ever said the baby ain't mine, the baby is mine, the baby looks slow, the baby still got to be taken care of. You dumb mother suckers. Girl, Tia, this is too much, girl. This is too much. I'm telling you, I'm in there trying to child with a baby mom in jail with him. They both in orange jumpsuits. And the goddamn grandpa that been grandpa the whole time, all of a sudden don't want to babysit. It ain't babysitting at next in line to make sure that he don't feel his mama and his daddy in jail. Jaden looked like it was too much for her. Okay, she looked just as heartbroken as I did, because this is probably literally too much. She did not have no smirk of happiness on her face. She looked like she was crying under her glasses that she never took off. So do not sit here and say that that child had any type of malice in her heart about no baby today. She looked just as fucked up in this whirlwind as I did. Now, why this child would come up here to this courthouse knowing they be going back and forth, this judge talking about people calling, trying to get Jonathan to stay in jail because he done did unfollow Chrisean. Like, y'all, that's just too much. Y'all doing too much. Then this side taking vengeance on that side, and y'all ain't got nothing to do with these goddamn kids. I don't even think Jonathan got to know. They in there listening to his own case, and he don't even know his baby mama in jail. He just in there fighting for his own life right now. She was definitely built different. She looked just as lost as I did. The daddy need to get out and get the baby. The mama need to get taken care of. Everything she get taken care of. They need to leave these jails and all of this shit alone. This need to be the end of that. Playing with these white folks, because they didn't give a fuck. And I hope everybody got to see. They didn't give a fuck that she had that stroller or no baby in it. Do y'all hear me? Now all this back and forth y'all done did, now this baby mama and daddy in jail. I'm not saying feel sorry for Rock. I don't give a fuck if y'all feel sorry for me, Rock, Blue, Jaden. I'm talking about the kids. Grown people don't need you to feel sorry for them. Jonathan had one of the best high-powered attorneys in there arguing over some goddamn marijuana, THC, I don't fucking know what, because I don't smoke none of this shit. I don't know the THC from the PhD. I don't know what the...
Man, this girl just be rapping. Yeah, remember they saying that Blueface time is extended, man, because like I said, remember he got caught with that, with that METH, that MATHOD, man. MATHOD, man. Oh, man. You would think Blueface was part of Wu-Tang, y'all. He got caught with that MATHOD, man. MATHOD, man. Anyways, they caught him with the, with the narcotic, you know what I'm saying? With the paraphernalia in his cell, allegedly. So they extended his jail time. He was originally supposed to be getting out in July 3rd, but he got to serve these 30 days, I believe. And his next court date is July 29th. Okay? So it's looking real bad, man. Like I said, we don't know when Chrisean or Blueface is gonna be out. So this baby, hopefully the baby is under proper care. Whether it's Marsh, whether it's Carlissa, whether it's Papa Blue. Even though I'm giving him the side eye, I'm giving all of these people the side eye. Honestly, I'm giving all these people the side eye. I don't really know who to trust at this point. I really don't know who to trust. Tempted to trust. I don't trust Carlissa at all. Tempted to trust. Okay? Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trust this woman. All right. I don't know, man. I don't know. Everything she says go one ear out the other because it seemed like she just be blabbing at the mouth. She literally just be freestyling. You know? She's literally just freestyling.
The fuck they was in there talking about? Okay, I don't know how to make no weed or none of that shit, so I got kicked out for asking, well, how did shit get into jail? That's all I wanted to know. And that lady kicked me out for asking a question.
Okay, so she's saying she got kicked out of the courtroom, y'all. I guess when they brought up the charge on because you know that's an extra charge. Those are charges on Blueface. So when they brought that up and basically explaining like, hey, he got caught up with the MATHOD, man, right? And they were saying that, you know, we got to extend your time being here. So we go just throw you back in jail and your next court date is July 29th. So get comfortable. Get comfortable. And I guess she must have blurted something out. Hey, why? How did that happen? Where did it come from and stuff? And, you know, instead of just arresting her, because, you know, that's contempt in court, right? Isn't that like causing a ruckus and stuff like that? They, instead of just arresting her, they just kicked her out. From her words, this is what she's saying. Okay?
Marsh pulled up and she came right on in and got her godbaby and took him with her. Yes, she did. But she did not have to do that. So don't sit here and try to make it like she had to come rescue the baby, because baby, hell to the no. I would have took the baby right on home and put him right on in the bed that I got for the kids at my motherfucking house. But whatever kid got to pull up on me. I don't know.
Yeah, so that was it, y'all. That was it, man. It's so many questions because one thing is going, you know, one thing is going one ear out the other. I don't know what to believe. She claiming that she do want the baby, you know, or she'll take care of the baby, but as long as she got Blueface permission. But then she said if they share the same blood, like, so you like, what are you trying to say? If y'all blood match, what? I thought y'all already knew, you know, and then you mad at Papa Blue for not taking the baby when you could just take the baby, right? You criticizing Marsh, who's not blood related to this baby, right? That you claim that's not the baby, right? That's not her kin. She only known Chrisean for a couple years. You know what I'm saying? So y'all got more strong ties than she do, right? But am I just making too much sense, y'all? Y'all know I use logic. Okay? I like to use logic, and usually these people don't use their brain. They just do. They just do and say. That's why they're in the positions that they are now. Chrisean just lie and do stuff. That's why she in jail now. Blueface I'm not saying he lied, but he just do stuff. He on some crash out stuff, obviously, because look at what he does. You know what I'm saying? What he say? He be keeping it 100, but that don't mean he don't find himself in stupid situations. You in jail for a reason, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I don't think this is going to stop anytime soon. Thank you so much, Nell. Thank you so much. Said thanks for sharing, Grape. I appreciate it. It's all love. It's all love. Welcome to the Grape Tea Gang. But yeah, man, I just, these people don't think. They just do, okay? These are full of sneaker heads. We got to call these people sneaker heads, y'all, okay? All right? This is the family. This ain't the Porter family. This is the Nike family, because they just do it. Whatever's in front of them, they just do it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever female's in front of Blueface, he just do it. Allegedly, from what Blueface say, whatever dude's in front of Chrisean face, she just do it. That's why he questioning the baby now. You know what I'm saying? They find themselves in these crazy situations. Okay? Carlissa herself claiming that Papa Blue is a crackhead. That she said that herself, y'all. She said that. Carlissa said that. Okay? So I don't know, man. But this was just another day in the circus, y'all. Okay? Outside of the day Blueface turned himself in, this was probably the most craziest day of the circus. And we have literally 6 more months of this. Okay? 6 more months of this year. So who's to say what's gonna happen? Okay? Who's to say what's gonna happen? But just be prepared, y'all.